They lie to you about the 3D printer. It's not a toy and it's not a spaghetti machine. Well, maybe sometimes, but it's something very different once you actually use it. I'm going to show you how a machine that, on first glance, print plastic junk can actually upgrade your relationship, your home, and even how your brain works. When I only started 3D printing, I had Ender 3 Pro. Fantastic machine. It was scary to me even to start. I thought that I will break it and it will be hard and expensive to fix. But after a few hours, I understand how to do this and start printing different upgrades for printer. What else can I print? The part nobody tells you is this. 3D printing isn't really about printing stuff. It's about changing how your brain interacts with the physical world. Once I learned that, the entire machine made sense. First, physical creativity hits completely different. You can model anything on a laptop, sure, your brain registers it, but it's like watching a workout instead of doing one. You see the movement, but your body doesn't feel it. When you print the thing, everything changes. The ways, the texture, the little resistance when you bend it, your brain suddenly goes, oh, this is real, I made this. I used to hate modeling in Blender because everything felt flat and abstract and all I hate this app, but the app is cool, that's just my feeling. But the moment I started printing every new model, something clicked. That physical object in my head felt like proof I was getting better. Your brain rewires you for the real thing, not for pixels on the screen. Second, you start fixing and upgrading literally everything. Most people think 3D printing is about replacing broken parts. Yeah, that's true. But the real magic is improving your life flow. You want a better desk setup? You print a charger holder, a pen tray, a cable organizer, a phone stand that actually fits your phone, not the one Amazon forced you to buy. 3. Your friends stop forgetting you exist. I hope they now don't forget, but the moment you get a 3D printer, you stop being just a friend. You became that guy. Please be that guy. The guy who can save someone's weekend. Okay, real example. My friend was fixing his first car. He bought window regulators, but the parts doesn't match at all. He came to me with all the pieces in a bag and just said, can you maybe do something? I modeled a small adapter, printed it, and suddenly the whole thing worked. You became the friend who makes impossible things possible. People don't forget it. Number 4. Unlimited choice of gifts. When we were kids, handmade gifts were the best. Now, hanging someone a paper card feels weird. But with a 3D printer, handmade became surreal again. I was at a dinner with Seo and his wife, and they surprised me with a gift. I had nothing for them. The next day, I printed some cool articulated animals and a little MacBook mount to use an iPhone as a webcam. Super useful for his wife. Send it to them, and they were genuinely surprised in the best way. You can print the whole gift or add something to else. The possibilities never end. And number 5, one of my favorite. Low-cost hobby with a business path. The printer is most expensive part. After that, it's just filament, maybe nozzles, and small stuff. It's one of the few hobbies where the moment you solve someone's problem, you've basically stepped into business territory. You can print useless junk, which most people do, or you can print objects that fix real issues. And fixing problems is business in its purest form. Okay, let me explain in super simple words. You are good at one subject in university. Somebody can finish their lab work, they ask it for help, you charge a little money, and without even noticing, you've become an entrepreneur. Same with 3D printer. You print some model that some people need, charge a little money, welcome to business world. And here's the moment it all lines up. A 3D printer doesn't just create objects, it creates leverage. Yeah, this word we use a lot, but leverage over your space, your skills, your relationship, your confidence. The moment your idea stop being trapped in your head and start showing up in your hands, your world gets bigger and you get bigger inside it. That's the real upgrade. Buying a 3D printer in 2026, it's not about gadgets. It's about waking up a part of yourself that only physical creation can touch. It's about improving your life, helping others, and maybe turning it into a business. If you decided to start but don't know how, link down below in description. And if you want to hear few myths about 3D printer, watch this video. You will be shocked.